Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to solve May 2017 question number 11. Let us read the question first. The following information was extracted from the books of Randall for the month of March 2017. Amount owing by debtors 1st March 2017, £4,290. Credit sales £4,800. Cash sales £1,000. Returns inwards £320. Bad debts £253. Discount allowed £66. Customers check dishonored £210. Receipts from debtors £5,421. A. Prepare the sales ledger control account for the month of March 2017. Balance the account on 31st March 2017 and bring the balance down to 1st April 2017. Then Randall purchases goods from several customers who all offer him trade discount of 10%. All purchases are subject to VAT at the rate of 20%. During the month of April 2017, the following transactions took place. 3rd April, purchased goods from T. Hines, list price £320. 6th April, purchased goods from R. Tibbs, list price £1,390. 10th April, return goods to T. Hines, list price £86. 12th April, purchased goods from W. Brown, list price £890. 24th April, returned goods to R. Tibbs, list price £210. 28th April, purchased goods from T. Hines, list price £450. 30th April, purchased goods from W. Brown, list price £760. B. Prepare Randall's purchases book and purchases returns book for the month of April 2017, showing the totals for the month. C. State 3 reasons why Randall's suppliers offer trade discount. So let us start solving the A part first. It was told to prepare sales ledger control account for the month of March 2017, and it was also told to balance the account and bring the balance down to 1st April 2017. Okay, let us start. We prepare a T account in the format which was told in the question: date, narrative amount, date, narrative amount. I have prepared the same T account and I also named this account as sales ledger control account. What is sales ledger control account? Actually, it is a total debtors accounts. Say for example, if a company have 10 clients, 20 clients, 30 clients, instead of maintaining one single account for each client, they consolidate the entire debtors account into one, and that account is known as sales ledger control account. Clear? Secondly, in this account we always deal with credit sales, credit transactions. No cash sales or cash transactions are recorded in this T account. Clear? So what was told at first: amount owing by debtors 1st March 2017, figure £4,290. This is the amount which the customers owe to the business. This amount will be paid by the customers to the business. It is an asset for the business, and the amount which the customers owe to the business is always shown on the debit side of a debtor account. So it is also a kind of debtor account. We are showing this on the debit side, 4290, and it was the opening balance, that's why balance BD. Next, credit sales 4800. The journal of this transaction is credit sales credit, debtors debit. So credit sales credit, debtors debit, 4800. Opposite account heading credit sales. Then cash sales. As I told you earlier that we are not going to deal with cash sales in this account, so cash sales will be omitted. Then returns inwards, £320. The journal of this transaction is returns inwards debit, debtors credit. So debtors credit 320, opposite account heading returns inwards. Then bad debts. The journal of this transaction is bad debts debit, receivables credit. Bad debts debit 253 and receivables credit 253. Then discount allowed. the journal will be discount allowed debit and receivables credit 66. Then customers check dishonored 210 pounds. Before telling you the journal of this entry, you need to know what was the initial entry when the check was paid to the business. When a customer pay check to the business record it as bank book debit and debtors credit. So in this transaction also it was done, and after receiving the check was presented to the bank, but it was dishonored. So now the initial journal need to be reversed. So the reverse journal will be bank book credit receivables debit. Here it is 210 bank book credit receivables debit. I put a comment here, you can see, to make you understand. Then receipts from debtors. The journal of this transaction will be bank debit or bank book debit receivables credit. Figure will be 5421. I also put a comment here to make you understand. Receipt from debtors. So now we need to balance it. 4290, 4800, 210. If you add these three, you will get 9300. I have limited, and if you add these four, you will get 6060. The debit side is greater, so you need to deduct these four amount from 9300. After deducting this, you will get balance CD 3240 pounds. This balance will be carried on 1st April 2017. So this is the amount which the customers owe to the business at the starting of the month of April. Clear? There is one more thing. You can see in every option the date is not given, but you need to put a date here, and I did not give it, so I put a note here. The dates are not mentioned in the question, that's why I gave 31st March for all other transactions whose date is not given in this question. By giving this note, you can put 31st March on every transactions journal, because you don't know what is the actual date of this transaction. Just by assuming or by giving this note, you can put it. Okay, next, number B, it was told to prepare purchases book and purchases returns book for the month of April 2017. You can see here the dates are given, so you don't need to put that note and an assuming date. So let's start. Purchases book, purchases returns book. The chart was given in the question, which we have to use to prepare the purchase book and the purchases returns book. Date, name, pound. So let's start. First of all, it was told that Randall purchases goods from several suppliers who all offer him trade discount of 10%. All the suppliers offer him trade discount. Then all purchases are subject to VAT at the rate of 20%. Clear? So on 3rd April, purchase goods from T. Hines. List price 320 pounds. 3rd April, T. Hines, list price 320 pounds. So how much will be the discount value? See, I have linked it. 10% into F3. F3 is 320. So it will be 32. Then the VAT amount. Please have a look. I have linked it how the VAT amount have arrived. 20% into F3 minus G3. F3 means 320 minus G3 means 32. After deducting 32 from 320, VAT percentage will be implemented. So the VAT amount will be 57.6, and the final amount will be F3 means 320 minus G3 means 32 plus H3 means VAT amount, which is 57.6. So the final amount will be 345.6. We need to calculate the final amount of purchase in this way for all transactions, and I have done that. 6th April, purchase goods from R Tips, list price 1390. 6th April, R Tips, list price 1390, discount 139, VAT amount 250.2, final amount 1501.2. Then 12th April, purchased goods from W Brown, list price 890. 12th April, W Brown, list price 890, discount 89, VAT amount 160.2, final amount 961.2. Then 28th April, purchased goods from T Hines, list price 450. 28th April, T Hines, list price 450, discount 45, VAT amount 81, final amount 486. Then 30th April, purchased goods from W Brown, list price 760. W Brown, 30th April, list price 760, discount 76, VAT amount 136.8, final amount 820.8. If you want, you can calculate it on your own. I am sure you will get the same value. Then we need to prepare the purchases returns book. Purchases returns books calculation will be done in the same way as we have done for the purchases books calculation. Please have a look. 10th April, returned goods to T Hines, list price 86. 10th April, T Hines, list price 86, discount on 86 will be 8.6, and the VAT amount 20% into F12 minus G12, so it will be 15.48. Final amount will be 92.88. Then 24th April, returned goods to R Tips, list price 210. 24th April, R Tips, list price 210, discount 21, VAT 37.8, and final amount 226.8. Clear? If you have any question, please comment in my comment box. I will definitely reply to your questions. Then number C, state 3 reasons why Randall suppliers offer trade discount. The answer of this question will be like this. Randall's suppliers are offering trade discount because they want their customers to purchase large or bulk quantities from them. Number 1. Number 2, to encourage repeat business. Number 3, they want businesses in the same trade. If you have any question regarding this video, please comment in my comment box. I will definitely reply to your questions. If you like my video, please share with your friends and family, like my Facebook page, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can receive notifications about my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.